Ever wonder if your dashcam could give you a clear view of what's going on behind and in front of you? Well, what if I told you that the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo can do just that, offering 2K resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear, capturing everything from road signs to license plates, all while you're cruising. Let's dive into this dual dashcam and see if it's the upgrade your ride needs. Quick intro. Welcome back to Autovated. Today, we're checking out the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo, a dual dashcam that promises to give you both front and rear protection in 2K 60fps and 1080p 30fps, with all the bells and whistles like GPS, Wi-Fi, and parking mode. Is this the dashcam you've been looking for? Let's find out. Product overview. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo features dual cameras that shoot at 2560 by 1440p at 60 fps for the front and 1080p at 30 fps for the rear, providing crystal clear footage. With a wide 140-degree angle, you can be confident that you'll capture a full picture mode without distortion. Both cameras are equipped with star-vis sensors for superior night vision, and the HDR function ensures your footage is balanced even when lights are too bright or too dark. Plus, with Wi-Fi and GPS built in, you can easily preview and download footage while keeping track of your speed and location. If you're the kind of driver who wants to capture every detail, including those late-night runs, or need peace of mind when your car's parked, this dashcam has features designed to solve those pain points. Key features. 1. 2K front plus 1080p rear. Capture ultra-clear footage in both directions with 60 fps for the front camera, perfect for license plates and road signs, and 30 fps for the rear. 2. Super night vision. Thanks to the star-vis sensors, expect detailed and clear night footage, with the HDR function adjusting automatically to bright and dark areas. 3. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Preview footage, download videos, and track speed and location, all in real time. 4. Parking mode solutions. Keep your car protected while it's parked with 3 parking mode options that automatically record when movement is detected or on a time-lapse mode for longer monitoring. Real-world testing and usage experience. Using the A129 Plus Duo has been a pleasant experience. The setup was smooth, and pairing with the VIOFO app via Wi-Fi was seamless. Driving around town, I was impressed by the 2K footage that captured sharp details, especially during daylight, and the rear camera did a good job picking up objects behind the car, even in low light. The HDR functionality was noticeable, particularly when passing under bright streetlights. Parking mode worked as advertised, with the auto event detection triggering recording whenever motion was detected, and I didn't notice any significant battery drain. Pros and cons. Pros: sharp, high-quality footage for both front and rear cameras. Impressive night vision with HDR that ensures usable footage at all hours. Convenient Wi-Fi and GPS functions for easy access to footage and real-time location tracking. 3 parking mode options to keep your car protected while you're away. Cons: optional HK3 hardwire kit required for full parking mode functionality, which could be an extra cost. Rear camera resolution is lower, 1080p 30 fps, which is decent but not as sharp as the 2K front camera. No memory card included, so you'll need to purchase one separately, which can add to the cost. Value for money. At this price point, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers great value for those who want dual camera coverage, solid night vision, and extra features like Wi-Fi and GPS tracking. It's a feature-packed dashcam that justifies its cost, though you'll need to factor in the optional accessories like the hardwire kit and microSD card for full functionality. Comparison. When compared to similar models, the A129 Plus Duo shines for its 2K front camera, which is rare in its class. For example, the Garmin Dashcam 66 Babu offers 1440p resolution but doesn't include a rear camera, making it more expensive per feature. On the other hand, the Vantrue N4 provides 1440p front and rear footage but lacks the Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities the VIOFO offers. Midway call to action. If this review has you thinking you might need a dashcam upgrade, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you're always in the know about fresh auto reviews. Build quality and longevity. The A129 Plus Duo feels sturdy, with a well-constructed body that houses the high-quality sensors and hardware. The build is robust enough to handle regular use, But the long-term durability depends largely on how you maintain the device, especially in extreme weather conditions. With proper care and the right microSD card, the cam should last a good while, though there's no extended data available to confirm long-term reliability at this stage. Customer support. Though I haven't personally reached out to customer service, VIOFO has a reputation for decent customer support with helpful resources and responsive communication in case issues arise. Additionally, they offer a 1-year warranty on the product. Who it's for. This dashcam is ideal for anyone looking for reliable front and rear coverage, especially commuters, long-distance drivers, and those who need extra protection while parked. If you're after a more budget-friendly option, or you don't need dual cameras, there are cheaper alternatives available. But you'll sacrifice key features like 2K resolution or night vision. Conclusion. Strong option. If you're looking for clear, reliable footage both day and night, and value features like Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking mode, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is one of the stronger choices in its class. End of video engagement. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this breakdown, remember the product links are in the comments below. If you already own the A129 Plus Duo, share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep your ride smooth and your footage sharper. Autovated, signing off.